Hi everyone, in this video we are going to find the volume of a sphere. We're going to find the volume of a sphere with a radius of 12. So the formula for the volume of a sphere is 4/3 times pi times r cubed. So the first step is to substitute the radius, the value of the radius, into the formula. So let's rewrite it, but this time with the radius of 12. V equals 4/3 times pi times the radius, which is 12, cubed. So now I'm going to simplify this equation. So V equals, I'm going to wait on the 4/3. I'm going to just leave that for now. And I'm going to leave the pi for now, and I'm going to focus on 12 cubed. I'm going to pull up the calculator and do 12 cubed. And 12 cubed means 12 times 12 times 12. 12 times 12 times 12 equals 1,728. So this is times now 1,728. Okay, moving forward, let's say we want our answer to be in terms of pi first. So I'm going to not worry about my pi right now, and I'm going to worry about the 4/3 and, of course, the 1728. So 4/3 means 4/3, 4 divided by 3. So I'm multiplying 4/3 times 1728. So here's my number, 1728. And I'm going to multiply by 4/3. So 1728 times 4 divided by, because over is divided by 3 equals 2,304. And I didn't do anything with the pi yet, so I'm going to tag it on to the end. Now, this is my answer in terms of pi. The radius was just 12, so we know it's pi and it's units cubed. So I'm just going to put a U for units. But now, what if I want my answer kind of a rounded out version without the pi? So I would take the answer I got in terms of pi and multiply it by 3.14 times 3.14. So the volume of that times 3.14 equals 7,234.56. 7,234.56. And volume is in cubic units. So this would be units. I'm just going to write units because it didn't tell me. Units cubed. So the most important, or what I think is a step to really look out for, is the 4/3. 4/3 is the same as multiplying by 4 and then divide by 3. Good luck.